Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see about weather and climate. Geography Unit 2. Introduction. Climate is one of the basic elements in the natural environment. It affects landforms, soil types, fauna and flora. It influences man to a large extent. Weather and climate influence man's activity like what we eat, wear, the house in we live and work, farming, soiling, fishing, modern transport, and even our playtime, etc. Hence, one should have knowledge about the weather and climate. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about weather and climate and how they influence our lifestyle. Next one, we say weather. Weather is the day-to-day condition of atmosphere at any place as records sunshine, temperature, cloud cover, wind form condition, air pressure, humidity, precipitation, and such other elements. It refers to a short period like a day, a week, a month, or a little longer, such as weather changes from time to time in a day and one period to the other in a year. The weather is cool in winter and hot in summer. We often hear people saying, today climate is good or bad. It is incorrect to say like that. Instead, it has to be said that the weather is good or bad. Next one, climate. Climate is generally defined as the average conditions of the weather of a place or a region. The average atmospheric conditions are determined by measuring the weather elements for a long period of time, which is usually for 35 years. Next one, you see, controlling factors are weather and climate. Angle of the sun rays, length of daytime, altitude, distributions of land, water bodies, location, direction of mountain ranges, air pressure, winds, ocean currents are the major factors which affect the weather and climate of a region. Next one, elements of a weather and climate. Temperature, rainfall, pressure, humidity, and wind are the major elements of a weather and climate. Next one, you see temperature. Temperature is one of the key elements of weather and climate. The earth and its atmosphere get heated from the sun through insolation. The degree of heat present in the air is termed as temperature. Heat energy from solar radiation is received by the earth through three mechanisms. They are first one radiation, second one conduction, and third one convections. Next one, factors affecting the distribution of temperature. Latitude, altitude, nature of land, ocean currents, prevailing winds, slope, shelter, and distance from the sea, and natural vegetation and soil are the major factors. Next one, you see measuring temperature. The temperature of a unit volume of air at a given time is measured in scales like Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Meteorologist measures the temperature by the thermometer, Stevenson scale, and minimum and maximum thermometer. Next one, heat zones of the earth is divided into three types: torrid zone, temperature zone, freeze zone. Next one, rainfall. Rain is a major component of the water cycle and is responsible for depositing most of the fresh water on the earth. Rainfall is measured by rain gauge. Next one, air pressure. The air pressure is measured by barometer. The standard air pressure at sea level is 1013.25 MB. Low pressure system is marked as L on weather map, whereas the high pressure system is marked as high, H. Low pressure systems are also called as a depression and cyclone. High pressure system is called anticyclones. Next one you say humidity. Humidity is divided into 3 types. First one, specific humidity, absolute humidity and relative humidity. Hygrometer is to measure the humidity. Next you see wind. The horizontal movement of air is called wind. The wind moves from high pressure to low pressure. The wind is divided into 3 types. First one, planetary winds. Second one, seasonal winds. Third one, local winds. Wind speed is measured by anemometer. Okay students, today we saw about weather and climate. Hope you enjoy it. Let's see a new class on next week. Thank you student. Have a nice day.